My Bryant experience, especially being part of the honors program, was one of the most rewarding experiences of my life. I pushed myself further than I thought I ever could, and in the end, I'm really proud of what I've accomplished here. The Business 101 project was definitely one of the biggest challenges I've had here at Bryant. That was pretty much you start first day, freshman year, and it was this huge project that's going to take all semester long, and you're going to work on a team, two experiences that I really didn't have in high school, and it was probably the most intense project that I've had here at Bryant, besides my honors project. I originally applied for the management program, but then when I was accepted, I switched to finance because I knew I wanted to do something with math. I took the math placement exam and scored really high on it, and so they sent me a letter saying you should switch to the actuarial program because you can switch out of that at any point, but it's very hard to switch into, and if you really like math, it's probably the best track for you. So I switched into that, and then when the new major came, I switched into applied math and stats because that was exactly what I wanted to do. I was more interested in statistics than any of the other subjects. During the orientation, when I spoke with Professor Smith, and I've never met someone more enthusiastic about a subject in my life as he is with math. The faculty of the math department really took the time to sit with me and to talk through my future goals and my future plans, and really supported my decision to go into grad school and encouraged me in that decision. I actually worked at CVS Caremark in the third-party finance department. That was actually probably one of the best experiences I had. I loved working on the team and in the department, and it really gave me real-world experience, and I got to see, so many of these terms that I heard, in accounting and finance courses and stuff, and these different concepts that we taught here. I actually got to see them, being used in the real world. Bryant students are probably more focused and determined and diligent than students that I've met from other colleges because they know how competitive the fields they're entering are, maybe more so than the other students. And I think a lot of that has to do with the Amica Center really drilling in to our heads that these fields that we're going into are highly competitive fields, and we have to set ourselves apart and really market ourselves as we go out into the real world.